Hello everyone, my name is Susan Joke, the creative director of Sujo Bits and Crafts. Welcome back and good day. Today I'll be teaching us how to convert our pictures into video. We have different applications that convert our pictures into videos. We have the applications like the Inshot App, the video editor, the Photogrid. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to convert our pictures into video using the Photogrid app. If you don't have the Photogrid app on your phone, you can go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store to download the Photogrid app. So first of all, you have to open open your Photogrid application on your phone. You open it, you wait for a few minutes for it to load. So after you open it, this is how the application looks like. So you'll be making use of slideshow. You click on slideshow, then you select the pictures you want to use for the video. You can select as many as 50 pictures for the video. So let me just select, let me say I want to use this for the slideshow. Just select it, select as many as you want. So after selecting the video, you click on next at the upper right corner of your application of your phone. Click on next. So this is it. If you want to remove some, you can remove by deleting. Press it down to delete. You can change it, rearrange it the way you want it to be. Listen, I want to delete this. Yes, then I want to rearrange it. I want this to be the number one. You hold it down and drag it to where you want the picture to be. Hold it down, drag it, hold it down and drag it to where you want the picture to be, as in arrange it the way you want the pictures to come out in the video. Then you click on next. So you click on next. So after clicking on next, this is what you have. See, you can decide to play the video. This is it, you play it. Then we have so many tools to navigate with at the bottom of your screen. Yes, like we have the MV. This is it. And I want to make a video for Christmas. Let's say that I want to make a video to tell the person a Merry Christmas. I'll click on the Merry Christmas, the Xmas icon, and it's going to bring this thing for Christmas. But since it's not Christmas, it's not New Year, so just click on none. Yes, so click on none to not give us any frame. Then you come here, you can add music to the video by clicking on this music here. You click on music, then you click on music. You can check from your music box, that is my music, to check from the music you have on your phone. Okay, now I have this music. I want to use Happy Birthday song. I click on it. Yes, so I've clicked on it and it has given me the song. I can decide to, this icon, this thing we have here, is for you can reselect. Maybe the music you use, you don't like it, you can reselect your music. You can decide on where you want the music to start singing from. I say okay. Happy birthday to you. You can decide I want it to start from where. You can decide on where you want it to start from. Yes, so we've successfully add music to the picture. So here we have the time icon. The time icon, you select the time. So here you want is for you to do whether you want the music to be slow, the video to be slow, or you want the video to be fast. So okay, I want the video to be slow. Happy birthday. I want each slideshow to come slow. I want it to come very fast. You can adjust it whether you want it faster or you want it slower, depending on what you want. Then here, this we have the transition icon. The transition icon, this is it. It's for you to show how you want the transition icon help you to navigate each pictures. If you want the picture to come, you want it to come popping in after every this thing, or you want it push when the first one is done, push the second one. You want it flow, you want it to cover the first, second one to cover the first one. You want it to dissolve to the hair. You want it flip. Just click on. You have different transition the way you want it to be. So me, I want it to come with push. I want it to push the second one to push the first one. Then you can edit. You can edit each pictures. You can edit each pictures. Sorry, I want to off my data. You can edit each pictures, like okay, maybe you want to remove, you want to crop the picture, you click on crop. Maybe you want layout, you want it the way you want it to come, circle, love shape, square, teddy, anyone, circle, square. Give us the layout you want. Then sticker, you can add your sticker, maybe birthday, love, any sticker you want, any sticker you want at all, any sticker. Then if you have a picture on your phone and you want to use it as a sticker, you come to this clip, you click on it, then you select. There I already have some stickers I've already selected, pictures I've selected for my stickers. If you want to add, you click on this plus sign here, click on the plus sign, then you add. I can decide I want to take this my cake, picture of this cake as my sticker. You click on it, then this is it. You click on draw or you click on simple to get the shape, then you select the shape you want. I want this cake shape to come in circle, then you click on it, then you drag the box, you drag it to select the particular picture you want, then you click crop. So here it is. Yes, so I've successfully add this cake icon to the picture. Yep, so this is it. Click on apply. After the editing, click on apply. So you can decide to filter the picture. Decide to filter it. Maybe you want the picture to come in black and white. Anyhow you want the picture to come, just filter it. Use the filter to design your picture, to beautify your picture rather. The blur, we have the blur icon. If you want the picture to, if you want to blur the background of the picture, then you can also change the background. You can add the background to the video. We have different background. Just select different background. You want the background to be blue, you can use any flower. We have different background. Just navigate around the icons for you to get the perfect effects you want for the video, for your video, and you want how the video to look like. So you can decide to use a border. It's okay, you want the border the way you want the picture. We have border, how you want the picture to be. Then we have the signature. Now this signature will show you that it is directed by so person. If you don't want the border, you can leave it, but if you want, you can just write, click on the box beside it, click on this box, click on the box, Then you type in your name. I typed in Sujok Bits and Craft and I click on OK. So at the end of the video, it's going to show us directed by Sujok Bits and Craft. That is the signature of the person that make the video. So this is it. I think through the editing, so you can view it to check if this is exactly what you want. If you think the picture is too fast, you can reduce it and make it slow by going to your time icon here. Reduce it. You can make it 30 seconds. You can make it depending on how you want it to be. You can as well change the translation that you don't want the way it's coming. You want it to pop in and out. Yes. Or you want it to come different style. You shuffle it and shuffle the pictures for you. Shuffle it to use different transition. Different transition for you. Shuffle, when you use shuffle to use all the transition. So when you are done and you are satisfied with the video, I want us to watch it. Yes, this is what I'm saying. When it gets to the end, it shows the signature by saying directed by Sujok Bits and Craft. So when you are done, you click on next for you to save the video. So the video is preparing and it's saving our video. I still remain our one and holy Susan Joke of Sujok Bits and Craft. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also connect with me on Facebook and Instagram at Sujok Bits and Craft. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section if you've tried this video and you find it very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, so our video is still saving. You wait for a while for it to save. So keep saving. It's going to take a little while, but I'm sure when it saves, video will come out very well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Waiting for some minutes for it to save. Yes, wow, now it has saved to our phone, so you can see directly on your gallery under your Photogrid app. So yeah, it is. After saving, you can share. You can decide to share it on your Instagram, your Facebook, your WhatsApp. Yeah, you can. It's yes. So you have come to the end of this tutorial. Please practice it and give me a comment in the comment section to let me know if you really understand what is being taught. You can also make the video and post it to our group. We have a open Facebook group on Facebook at Sujok Bits and Craft. You can show your practice there on Facebook in order to so that I know that I'm really making impact and imparting knowledge on us. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.